Welcome to Engine Explorer, and today we're diving into the 2025 Renegade Icon, one of the most talked about compact SUVs of the year. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, the design. The 2025 Icon brings a refreshed, bolder look with sharper lines and a more aggressive front fascia. The signature LED headlamps now extend into the grille, giving it a sleek, modern presence on the road. It's definitely a step up from the previous model in terms of visual appeal. Under the hood, the Renegade Icon comes with two engine options. The base model packs a 1.5-liter turbocharged inline-4, pushing out around 180 horsepower. There's also a hybrid variant offering improved fuel efficiency without sacrificing too much performance. It's not a sports SUV, but for city driving and weekend getaways, it feels responsive and agile. Inside, the cabin is more refined than ever. Soft touch materials, a redesigned dash, and an updated infotainment system with a 10.2-inch touchscreen make the interior feel upscale for its class. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and higher trims include a premium Harman Kardon sound system and a digital instrument cluster. Rear legroom is still on the snug side, especially for taller passengers, but cargo space has improved thanks to a more efficient rear layout. Fold the seats down, and you get a surprisingly roomy storage area for a compact SUV. On the tech side, Jeep has integrated more driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera. The Icon now feels safer and more intelligent, perfect for first-time buyers or families who want reliability without going full size. Driving it feels smooth and composed. The steering is well-weighted, and the suspension does a solid job absorbing bumps. It's not meant for serious off-roading, but the all-wheel drive version handles dirt roads and rain-soaked streets with ease. Overall, the 2025 Renegade Icon is a solid evolution. It's not revolutionary, but the updates make it a much more compelling option in the small SUV segment. For those seeking style, comfort, and updated tech in a compact package, this model is definitely worth a test drive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews here on Engine Explorer.